Jessica Rosales eating one of these tiny little chewies.
She ate it.
Alright, start eating it. Let me see, open your mouth. Where is it? No, he's lying.
It is.
He's lying. Let me see your hand.
She really did.
She did. She ate it. Why are you crying?
Why are you crying? No, no more water.
No, vale.
No, wait, come back. We gotta go.
Yeah.
Drink water.
How many did you shoot?
One.
One.
Shoot it, how many times?
Yeah.
One.
No, stop. She was chewing.
Give her more water.
Yeah.
Give her more water.
God.
They're hot? Like super hot?
Damn, Mama. You better get a deep voice for that, man.
Oh, yeah.
You better get your 40 bucks for that. That was 40 right there for your pay. That was just on the way in. You still got the pay coming out.
She seriously ate it?
Yeah.
I didn't even see her chew it. ¿Sí se lo comió?
Lo masticó.
Oh my God, you're crazy. This is...
No, vale, vale.
Is it that hot, Mama? Oh my God. ¿Eh?
El estómago después.
¿Qué? No, no era eso.
Con el azúcar. Con el azúcar.
Let's get right.
I didn't even see her take it.
Now you get the highest hot that could be. Whenever they ask you hot, nothing will ever be as hot as this ever.
Milk. You want milk?
No, porque le duele el estómago.
Te aguante, güey.
¿Para qué tienen esos chiles aquí?
Porque lo están matando.
Oh my God, I didn't even see her eat it.
Sí, ya cuando sacó
¿No la iba a dejar que se lo comiera?
Sí, pues ya.
I wasn't gonna let you eat it. Oh my God. I wasn't. She dropped it in her mouth, dude. Ask your mom. I wasn't gonna let him eat it. Yeah, I'm recording it. I didn't think she was.
Me either. Look at crying.
Sacó la lengua y tenía todas las semillas.
Oh my God. I'm YouTubing this. Alright?
One more.
Where does it burn? Your tongue?
Where's it born?
Oh my
Your
God.
tongue or your tonsils?
Jessica.
God, I didn't think she was gonna do it.
Oh my. No, stop.
Cuando sacó la lengua tenía todo
You are nuts.
el chile. Ya no come tanta agua, mija.
¿Hay más? ¿Tomar agua?
Google.
Smile. Smile, Jess.
¿Is it getting better, mija?
Smile for YouTube.